Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply materials to your components in CATIA v5. Consider this component that you see in front of you. Let's say that I want to apply some sort of material to this component. I'm going down and I'm going to click on this icon called Apply Material. Now, if you can't see this icon anywhere in your Partisan workbench, just right-click on any of the icons and make sure that Apply Material is enabled. After I click on it, a dialog window pops up with different options. As you can see, we've got different tabs of different groups of materials. So from construction, through fabrics, metal, other, stone, all the way to wood. So let's say that I want to assign material metal. And let's say that I want to assign an aluminum to this component. After I click on aluminum, you can see that the buttons OK and Apply Material are still grayed out. That is because now I need to define where I want to apply material. So I want to apply material to my part body. Click on the part body. And now these buttons are not grayed out anymore. Click OK. And as you can see, the appearance of my component changes because material has been applied. If I expand the specification tree, you can see the material specification in here. If you want to change the material to something else, just go ahead and click on the icon again. And let's say that this time around, I'm going to click on steel. I'm going to click on part body again, click OK, and this automatically changes the aluminum to steel. If you double click on this material, you will get a dialog window with properties of this material. In here, you can see and define how this material behaves in drawings. You can change the properties of the material during rendering. And in here, you can change the properties if you need to. If you want to remove the material, all you have to do is right-click on steel and click delete. And this removes the material from your part body. Now, if you want to create your own material, go ahead and click on Start, Infrastructure, and Material Library. After you click on it, you are in the Material Library workbench, and you can go ahead and double-click on New Material. You can click OK, and you can define your own material. Let's say that the feature property is going to be New Material 1, and then you can go ahead and go into Analysis and choose your properties and click OK. And now we have a new material number 1. If you want to add another material, go ahead and click here, and that will add a different material. I can double click OK. I can name this new material 2. For the purpose of the explanation, I'm just going to change density to 1000 and click OK. Perfect. I'm now going to click on File, Save, and I'm going to save this under name Custom Materials, and the format will be cat material. Go ahead and click Save, and you can exit this workbench. I'm now going to click on the icon again, and instead of default material catalog, I'm going to click on this icon Open, and I'm going to choose the custom materials I have just created. Click Open, and as you can see, this opened the family of materials I have just created. I can click on New Material 1, click on Part Body, and click OK. And my new material has been applied. If I click on the icon again, I can now click on the drop-down menu and toggle between the default material catalog and my own materials. Thank you very much. This is everything for this video. See you in the next one.